To delete cover photo on Facebook latest update. To delete your cover photo on Facebook using the latest update, you can follow these steps. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on the profile picture or your name at the top of the screen to navigate to your profile. On the profile page, tap on the Edit Profile button. It's usually like a pencil or an edit option. Scroll down to the cover photo section and tap on the Edit Cover Photo option. In the cover photo options, tap on the Delete button. It may be located at the bottom left corner in the drop-down menu. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you want to delete your cover photo, so tap on it to confirm. After deleting your cover photo, you'll have the option to add a new one by selecting a photo from your device or choosing one from your Facebook albums. Alternatively, you can choose not to add a new cover photo, and Facebook will display a default background instead. Once you've made your selection, tap on the Save Changes button to confirm the changes to your profile. And finally, go back to your profile to see the changes. Your cover photo should now be removed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.